Hey guys, welcome back to another review video from 247 Tech Talk. Let's get into it. So hey guys, I'm back. This company reached out to me, PunCube and PunCube. They offered me a wallet. I haven't done one of these in a while. I did rip the box open for you to, before you see it now. It says your purchase means the world to us. Carry less, do more. So let's get straight into the box. Empty box, as you can see. Says Mech Wallet. You can feel it stick into the metal case. What do we have in here? Oh, that's pretty tight. Let's see. I really didn't want to rip the box, but I may have to. We don't really care, all right? So what we have is, I think this is the add-on. This has got a little wallet piece in the back here, and it opens up. So, and it's magnetic. So let's see what's in here. Nice metal container. I like these. I tend to keep these even after you're done the review. Let's see how this opens up. This is going to be interesting. There you go. Ooh, everything is magnetic and tight. So what do we have? We have, this would be the wallet. The card slide in here. It's got a nice design on the front. Feels pretty good. I believe it's RFID. Is money clip installation, non gel, and then so you had an option of the money clip or the the wallet piece. Which I chose the wallet. They asked me which one I wanted. I believe there's screws in here. Oh no, I'm sorry. It does have the money clip, but this one has glue, as you see, and it says here to glue it on. So you can actually do both of them, it looks like. Let's figure it out together. There's a Torx screwdriver in here, and it's got a, oh, that's a nice little screwdriver you can use even after, right? The little Torx screws. Is it Torx or Phillips? Forgive my eyesight, guys. It looks like it's Phillips. Let me get, there are two little screw holes here. And yes, and there are two little screw holes here on the, if you look carefully. So when you open this up, they line up. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop in the two little screws real quick. My trusty knife. Never do as I do because that's a bit careless. There are 4 screws in here. This is going to be interesting with my nearsightedness. I had LASIK years ago, and it still works fantastic. What, 20 years later maybe, but the nearsightedness, I guess, yes, is what usually goes with age. So I'm feeling for where this goes in, and we're gonna give it a shot live on camera so I can either make a fool of myself or not. And I did get it. Magnetic, so it popped out, but I did get it. So I like the fact that you have that compartment now. Put the other screw in. And the presentation is simple and plain, right? But it works. So now let's see what we have. Because there's also the clip, the money clip. And I'm assuming this got this like gel that you glue on. I'm assuming that you had the option of not putting this on and putting the clip on. I don't want the money clip if that's my option. I could be very wrong. I got a bunch of cards here I picked up. I wanted to see how well it would do and how many I can get in here. So I'm just gonna kind of ram them in there and hope I can get them out, right? And then we'll count them and see how many I got in there. Some are cards with raised numbers on them. So that looks like quite a bit for now. Let me see if I can figure out. Ah, there you go. Oh, that's wonderful. Look how that slides down. I love that. Oh, that is amazing. So you slide it up and your cards come out. You put all your cards in, you slide it up and your cards come out. Now I want to see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I can get more than 7 in there. So that's 7. I'm gonna try for one more. It's pretty tight. That's pretty tight. That's 8. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty tight. 8 works, but I would stick at 7. 8 is pretty tight. But then you also have this compartment to put the card in, and you've got this, which I don't know what I would do here. Maybe a driver's license can fit in there. I'd have to check to see if my driver's license can fit in there. This is, you hear that click? I'm assuming because it's mechanical. I think you can see this the spring here. I would say that I would hope they've tested this for thousands of clicks, because you're going to be doing that a lot. Again, the card can go in here. You can probably get multiple cards in here. That's 2. That's 3. So if we put, no, I would stick a 2, 3 feels tight. So we say if we did 2 here and we did 7 in here, possibly 8, so you can get 9 or 10 cards in here. Now, what would we do with this? Well, for me, I put my money, right? Let me see if I can find a couple of bills here really quick, some singles or something hanging around. Yes, I can. So I would take, whatever money I have, and that's magnetic. It's not opening. I'm not losing my bills. And you see how hard I'm shaking this. This is great. This may just be my new wallet. I kind of love this. What would I have liked to see? Well, maybe instead of, I see what they did here. I kind of like it where there's a window that you can slide your driver's license in and just show it. But you stick your driver's license in here. This is likely my new wallet. Like I said, I did not opt for this money clip. I don't like sliding money in money clips like this, because then that would be exposed. You don't know how much money I have on me here. If I pull this out in a store, let me throw some cards back in here. Right? If I'm walking into the store like this and I'm saying, "Oh, I'm going to use a card," right? Am I doing this the right way? The opposite way. There you go. I want this card. Pull out the card. You can't, let me try that again. I don't think you can get to the singular card. Even though they do raise in, I think you still would have to pull out, cards to get to it. But my other wallet works the same way that I use now. But then I've done that, or I pull out my driver's license or whatever. You see no cash. I could have $700 bills folded flat inside here. You never know I have cash. And so you don't have to visibly show it. Most of the time, I walk around with like maybe two $20 bills, right? I mean, everybody uses cards. So this, by PunCube, to me, is a winner. I love their presentation. I love that they give you everything you could want. Let me put this away before I cut myself. They give you the screwdriver that you can keep. They did give 2 extra screws that I'm just going to throw back in this little piece of the envelope, so that if you ever took that off and put it back and you lost the screws, you would have them. They gave you the money clip, which for me, I'm not going to use because it has a gel glue on the other side. You put it on, you have to gel it. Now, it can probably, I don't know if it can, I'm going to try something. This is rather weird, but just to see if I took the money clip, if I decide to adhere it, would it close? No, it won't. So it's either or, right? I thought maybe you could get away with both. But you see, this has a gel. So if you decide to use this, you're going to glue it on. That's not what I want to do. If you look at the diagram here, is that you either glue it on or you screw on the other wallet, which is what I love. This is my new wallet. Hands down, love it. Love the presentation, love the quality. If I had to ask any questions about it, would be, how long is this gonna last with me doing this? And only time will tell. Not enough time for me to review it, but maybe a year or 2 from now, I'll come back. Hey guys, you remember that wallet from PunCube? And it's the Mech Wallet model 8807, designed by PunCube Inc., PunCube. So I'm going to give this right now maybe an 8 out of 10. A solid 8 going out to 9 out of 10. Like I said, the rest of preferences would be personal preferences, like maybe having a slide here and an extra wallet with clear so you could push your driver's license in, because I rather not have to take it out. Many places I go, they say, "Can I see your driver's license?" I do like that with my other wallet. It does have a window. Other than that, solid quality. This is metal, well built. Love that click. Oh, I love this. This is it. Going in my pockets. And next time you guys see me, or the time after that, or the time after that, if you continue to like, share, subscribe, I can bring you more of these things. Again, they do send me these samples in return for an impartial review. They don't know what I'm going to say. You guys have seen my channel. You see my, I don't know how many, probably close to 1,000 reviews. And I say good, bad, or indifferent. It is what it is. Hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe. Until the next time, 247 Tech Talk, out.